Student, today we are going to learn what is the difference between small g and capital G. Okay, small g, which one we are going to take it as acceleration due to gravity. Capital G, we are going to take it as a universal gravitation constant. Okay, F is equal to, it is directly proportional to product of the mass, inversely proportional to the square root of distance between the two objects. The same thing, F is equal to g times of m1 m2 divided by d square. It is a universal law of gravitation. Here I am taken as a capital G. Okay, the capital G value, okay, first we will see capital G unit. It is a force into d square divided by mass 1 into mass 2. So force unit is a Newton, displacement distance unit is a meter because of square is a meter square, mass unit is a kg will get as a kg square. Okay, the unit of G is a Newton, meter square, kg square. Okay, the value of universal law of gravitation constant is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. Okay, for small g we can take it as acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. So velocity we can take it as displacement by time. Okay, first we are doing as a unit. A is equal to displacement by time square. So displacement is a meter, time square is a second square, because time is second, time square is a second square. So meter second minus 2. Okay, the unit of small g is meter second minus 2. Okay, so small g is acceleration due to gravity, which one is produced by the earth. Okay, capital G is the force of attraction, or force of attraction between the two masses. What is the constant will be produced, that we are taken as a capital G. Okay, so capital G, the force of attraction will create the constant term. Okay, the force of attraction between the two masses m1 m2 mass, it's going to create the constant term, that is called F is equal to constant times of m1 m2 divided by d square. Okay, this constant only we are taken as this much value. Okay, here earth is produced some acceleration due to gravity, that is called small g. It is which one we are going to take it as 9.8 meter by second square. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.